After this video, you will be able to earn $100 in 1 minute with Chatgpt. You will be very surprised when you see how easy this method is. These people you see are writing product descriptions and making money, and maybe some of them do it in seconds with Chatgpt. Don't worry, you don't need to have any skills for this job, because with the tactics I will give you, you will be able to write a professional product description in seconds. Listen carefully to the steps I will show you in this video, and watch the video without skipping to understand it better. First of all, we are entering the chatgpt.openai.com. For example, let's ask him to write a product description about the portable blender. As you can see, he wrote a not very good description. That's why we're using the tactics I'm going to give you now. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you want me to make more videos like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. Start every prompt with "I want you to act as copywriter/personal trainer/comedian." The next part should start with "I will." I will give you a product and the target customer. The next part should start with "you will." You will write a product description, then lay out your specific request. Be sure to follow the specific guidelines you set up in the second sentence. My first request: product, portable blender. Target audience, young adults, athletes, and people that goes to gym. Once you submit your prompt, you can continue to refine based on the output. Chatgpt is made to be conversational. You can say things like, "Make it funnier. It sounds too robotic." Make it shorter to make it even more precise. You could provide Chatgpt with specific examples of how it should return the output. As you can see, Chatgpt wrote the product description in seconds. All that remains is to find a customer. Don't worry, with the tactics I will give you now, you will be able to earn your first internet money very quickly. These job postings you see are employers, that is, people who need this service. You can apply for these jobs and send the description you have written in seconds and earn money. Or you can open a gig on this site and wait for customers to find you. Don't worry, even if you've never made a sale before, you'll make a sale over time. As you can see, even when I come to the page 10, I see people selling. So take action today and start making money online. Don't miss the train these days when artificial intelligence is developing day by day. This person you see earns $100 just by writing one product description. The only difference between this person and you is that she took action and you didn't. So start today without procrastinating. In the comments section, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for your country. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. We are showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.